Presidential crisis. Donald Trump airlifted to medical facility after testing positive for coronavirus.
How will the PEP exams be administered this academic year? The Ministry of Education responds.
And teachers object to conducting classes from school. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on extending the curfew hours for the Heroes Day weekend holiday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.